Description: like a fortifying protein smoothie, this award-winning, reparative leave-in conditioning cream is made with organic amaranth extract and vegan pea protein to help strengthen the hair fiber and restore hair back to health. Benefits: color safe, vegan, sulfate-free, without SLS, SLES, ALS, paraben-free, gluten-free. Suggested use: apply to clean, damp hair. Do not rinse. For best results, use with Clean Beauty Repair shampoo plus conditioner. Top reviews from the United States: very nice. I was skeptical about this leave-in conditioner. I was afraid it was leave a residue. But based on the great reviews, I decided to give it a try. I really do love it. It's very lightweight but moisturizing at the same time and leaves no residue.